Imagine this. You land at your dream destination. You're excited, ready to relax, explore, or head straight to that important event. But then your luggage doesn't show up. You wait at the carousel. One bag after another rolls by, but not yours. You check again. Nothing. It's gone. This is a real problem. Every year, over 25 million bags are lost or mishandled. And when it happens to you, your trip can turn from dream to disaster in minutes. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to happen. In this video, I'll show you 10 smart, powerful tips to help make sure your checked luggage stays safe every time you fly. These tips are simple, they're proven, and most travelers don't even know about them. Stick around. Tip number 1 is a total game changer and something almost no one does. Let's get into it. Tip 10. Label inside and outside. Most people attach a tag to the outside of their bag and call it a day. But here's the problem. External tags can easily rip off during loading, handling, or even bad weather. If that tag disappears, your bag becomes unidentifiable. That's why you should always label the inside of your luggage too. Write down your name, phone number, and destination. Slip it into a clear plastic bag or Ziploc and place it on top of your packed items. That way, if your bag goes missing but is found and open, airline staff can quickly contact you even if the outer tag is gone. It's simple, it's smart, and it could save your entire trip. Tip 9. Don't overpack. We've all done it. Stuff the bag until the zipper's about to burst. Just one more pair of shoes, right? But overpacking is risky. Overloaded bags are more likely to rip open, especially if they're tossed around during handling. Zippers can snap. Seams can split. Your stuff ends up scattered across the airport floor. Overpacked bags also catch the eye of security. If they need to open it, they might not repack it carefully. Items can get damaged or lost. Pack smart. Roll your clothes to save space. Use packing cubes or compression bags. And most importantly, leave a little room for souvenirs or unexpected extras. A bag with breathing space is safer, lighter, and way less stressful to handle. Tip 8. Choose a hard-shell suitcase. Your luggage goes through a lot: conveyor belts, cargo holds, and sometimes even rain. Soft-sided bags are flexible, but they're not built for protection. They can be crushed, ripped, or slashed open more easily. A hard-shell suitcase offers real protection. It's water-resistant, impact-resistant, and better at keeping your stuff secure. And here's a bonus tip. Get one with a built-in TSA-approved lock. That way, it's both secure and compliant with airport checks. Yes, hard-shell suitcases can cost more. But when you think about what's inside your clothes, devices, valuables, it's a smart investment. Tip 7. Use TSA-approved locks. Speaking of security, let's talk about locks. A good lock does more than just keep out thieves. It also keeps your suitcase from popping open during rough handling. But don't use just any lock. If airport security needs to inspect your bag and it's locked with a non-TSA lock, they'll break it. No questions asked. TSA-approved locks can be opened with a special key. Security checks your bag, then locks it again without damaging anything. And remember, memorize the combination, or save it in a secure place because you don't want to be the one locked out of your own bag. Tip 6. Secure your zippers. Even with a hard case and a lock, zippers can still be a weak point. Under pressure, zippers can burst open. And some thieves know how to open zippers without unlocking them just by using a pen. Here's a low-cost fix. Use cable ties or tamper-evident seals. They keep your zippers tightly closed, and they're easy for security to cut if needed. If someone tampers with your bag, you'll know right away. Use brightly colored ties so they're easy to spot and easy to replace if cut. It's a small step with big protection. Tip 5. Use a smart luggage tracker. Know we're bringing tech into the mix. A smart tracker lets you see where your bag is at all times. Just drop a device like an Apple AirTag or a tall tracker into your bag. Connect it to your phone, and if your luggage goes missing, you'll know exactly where it is. Some trackers use Bluetooth. Others offer GPS with global coverage. Either way, you stay in control even when your bag is out of sight. No more guessing. No more panic. Just open the app and check. Pro tip: set up alerts for movement or location changes, so you're notified if your bag gets rerouted or left behind. Tip 4. Photograph your luggage and contents. Here's something simple that can save you hours of stress. Take photos of your bag before check-in. Capture the outside every angle. Show unique features like stickers, colors, straps, or tags. Then open it up and snap a few shots of what's inside, especially valuable items or essentials. If your bag is lost or damaged, you will have clear proof for the airline or insurance company. Store these photos in the cloud, not just on your phone. That way, even if your phone is lost or dead, you still have access. Visual records make a big difference in lost luggage claims. Tip 3. Keep your baggage claim ticket safe. That little slip of paper you get after checking your bag. Don't toss it in your pocket and forget it. It's your official proof of ownership. If your bag goes missing, that claim tag helps the airline find it, track it, and confirm it's yours. Take a photo of it right away. Then save it in a travel folder on your phone or upload it to the cloud. Losing your bag is bad enough. Losing your claim ticket, that makes it even worse. Treat it like it's important because it is. Tip 2. Get travel insurance that covers luggage. No one likes to think about worst-case scenarios, but they happen. Luggage gets lost, delayed, or even stolen, and replacing your essentials on the fly can get expensive. Good travel insurance will reimburse you for lost or damaged items. It might even cover the cost of temporary clothes or toiletries while you wait for your bag. But not all policies are the same. Check the fine print. Make sure luggage loss is included. It's a small cost for a huge return, especially if you're traveling with tech, business gear, or anything valuable. Tip 1. Use your airline's luggage tracking app. This is the tip most people don't even know exists, but it can change everything. Many major airlines now offer real-time baggage tracking through their apps. You can see when your bag is loaded, transferred, or delayed. You'll get notifications if something changes, and you can act fast if something goes wrong. No more guessing. No more waiting at the carousel wondering if your bag made it. Before you check in, download your airline's app and enable baggage tracking. It puts you in control. It's like having a digital leash on your luggage, and it's one of the smartest things you can do. So there you have it, 10 powerful, practical, and tech-friendly tips to protect your luggage in 2025. These are the same strategies used by experienced travelers and frequent flyers to make sure their bags always arrive safely. Now I want to hear from you. How many of these tips are you already using? And do you have your own secret trick for keeping luggage safe? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. If you found even one of these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more travel hacks, tech tips, and smarter ways to fly. And if you've ever lost your luggage, share your story below. You might help someone else avoid the same nightmare. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.